Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Muhammed Emir Mesutoglu. I will tell you cherry leaf wrap recipe. Let's go. How to make it. 1. Hot water is poured on the cherry leaves and left in the bowl for 5 minutes. 2. Crushed and meatball bulgur is placed in the separate large bowl. Hot water is poured over it and it is soaked for 15 minutes. 3. A spoonful of flour and salt is added to waiting bulgur and cooked until it reaches its consistency. 4. Then the cherry leaves are filtered and removed from their stems. 5. With the shiny part of the cherry leaf facing down, pieces of the dog the size of a hazelnut are put into it and rolled up thinly like a cigarette and place it in a saucepan. 6. Be careful not to open it. You can keep it between your fingers for a while and put it in the pot. 7. When the wrapping process is finished, a plate is turned upside down and placed on it so that it does not rise into the air. 8. Hot water or normal water is added and left to cook on low heat without dispersing. 9. In a separate bowl, yogurt, egg, and flour are taken and whisked well. 10. The pot is placed on the fire and left to boil over low heat, stirring constantly so that it does not cook. 11. While this process is going on, there are 3 onions cut into sugars are fried in a pan with butter until they become caramelized. 12. The cooked cherry wrap is poured into the yogurt sauce left to boil in the other pot and cooked for 10 more minutes. 13. The cooked cherry leaf wrap is taken with a ladle and placed in the bowl. 14. Finally, serve it with buttered roasted onions poured over it. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye! Bir şey söyleyeyim mi? For 5 minutes. Crush it. 2 desene. Ne diyeceğim?